Hi, in front of me I have SUUNTO 7 and I'm gonna show you how to take a screenshot on this device. Let's start by opening the Wear OS app on our phone. Now let's wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, you can double tap on the screen or press the left upper button. Then let's go to the screen we want to capture. For example, let's open some app. Let's open Google Play Store. And now to take a screenshot, we need to tap right here on the More Options icon on the phone app and select Take Screenshot of a Watch. You will get the notification that the watch is ready to send the screenshot. Let's tap on it. Here you can send it through many apps like Discord, WhatsApp, Gmail, Duo, Messages, and many more. Or you can use some kind of file manager. Let's take the screenshot again because it disappeared. So let's take the screenshot. You can tap on notification. For example, I'm gonna use the Total Commander. It's a file manager. And now I can save the screenshot on my phone. For example, let's call it new screenshot. Like that. And tap OK. As you can see, the file was saved. And that's how you take the screenshot on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.